Have you ever played with a magnet and wondered, how does this magical object stick to things? Magnets are fascinating and can even seem like magic at first, but there's a wonderful science behind how they work. Magnets work because of a force called magnetism. This force makes magnets pull certain objects towards them. But not everything is attracted to magnets. Only specific materials like iron, nickel, or cobalt are really good at feeling the pull of a magnet. You might be asking, why do only some things stick to magnets? Inside these materials are tiny particles called atoms. Think of atoms like little building blocks that make up everything around us, from the air we breathe to the chair you're sitting on. Atoms have even smaller parts called electrons. Some of these electrons move around the atom in circles, and they create tiny magnetic fields. When many atoms align their magnetic fields the same way, they can create a larger magnetic field, which is something we can see with a magnet. But how do magnets have their own magnetic field that affects other things? Let's think about a magnet like it's a team of superheroes working together. On each side of the magnet, you'll find a superpower called a pole. These poles are named North and South. Just like superheroes, these poles work together to create a strong force. If you try to put two magnets with the same poles facing each other, it's like trying to make two superheroes with the same powers team up. Sometimes they don't match. The magnets will push away from each other instead of sticking together. But if you put opposite poles together, they attract each other, like superheroes working side by side on a mission. Magnets have many uses in everyday life. They're awesome for holding things like notes on a refrigerator door. Magnets also play important roles in computers, where they help store data, and in MRI machines, which doctors use to look inside the human body without surgery. So the next time you pick up a magnet, remember, it's like holding a superhero team in your hand, making invisible forces work together to hold up your artwork or help doctors see inside people's bodies. That's how amazing magnets are,